Hi everyone, welcome to the Brain by Technologies. What is Oracle? What is Oracle database? Do you know what is Oracle database? So today I'm going to explain what is Oracle database and what is the overview of architecture of Oracle database. So basically Oracle database is a relational database management system that Oracle Corporation created, and it is the most popular RDBMS on the market, and it used to store, manage, organize, and retrieve the data for a wide range of applications. And we know already the Oracle database is a very common and well-known database among all the database. So now I'm going to explain what is Oracle architecture consists. So mainly Oracle architecture divides into two parts. One is instance and second is database system. So instance means that is called memory part, and database system that is called storage part. So in instance, two parts will be there. One is memory part and second is background process. So these two parts, it's called instance. It's called instance. And another one is database system, that is called storage part. Many many more files will be present in the database system. So in Oracle instance, there will be two area is there. One is SGA and another is PGA. One is SGA and another is PGA. Where is PGA? That is called PGA. SGA and PGA. So I'm going to explain shortly explain related to this SGA. We will explain later this PGA. So SGA mainly it's a system global area, and it's a shared memory area. Okay. So in SGA, some parts will be there: shared pool, Java pool, stream pools. Okay, large pool, database buffer cache, redo log buffer. So that will be the part of area of SGA. Okay, and these components are present within this SGA. And now I'm going to explain background process. What is background process? Background process, many background process in Oracle database are there, but the main and mandatory background process are CKPT, SMON, PMON, DBWN, LGWR, RECO, and archive. So main five is very main. One is CKPT, checkpoint background process. Two is SMON, that is called system monitor process. Third is PMON, that is called process monitor process. DBWN, database writer process, or we can say DBWR. So we will explain what is DBWN and what is DBWR later on. The LGWR, that is called sorry, that will be for 4, that is for DBWN 4, number 4. Number 5 will be LGWR and RECO and archive log. RECO means recovery and archive logs. Archive. Now I'm going to explain what is database system. Database system means there will be some files will be there which the data will be permanently stored. Okay, it's a, we can say as a layman, it's a storage system of a computer. As a database system, it's simply storage of these files. Three categories database files will be there: data files, control files, data files, and online read logs files. And these are the other components. Some other two data files, some other two files will be present in this database system, that is called parameter files, and second one is password file. So these files is present in this database storage system.